Welcome. This is a demonstration of doing a piriformis stretch on your back using a block. So first, we're going to grab the block. You're going to place it so that your foot can rest on top of it. And then get your hips closer to your feet. You're going to take your leg that's not on the block and create a figure four. The hand on the leg that is on the block goes up against your thigh. Then the hand on the side with the bent knee goes behind the knee. To create this resisted stretch, you're going to push the quad into the hand and then you're going to pull the knee into the hand. So both legs are moving in opposite directions. So the leg that's on the block is moving into the hand on the thigh, and then the knee that is bent is pushing into the hand. You can see here now I'm going across my body and doing the exact same movement. This just deepens the stretch. And my other hand is supporting the quad so that I don't hyperextend past a 90-degree hip flexion. All right, we're going to switch sides here. So sliding the block over, placing the leg that's not stretching on the block. We're going to make the figure four, placing the hand at the quad to prevent it from going past 90 degrees, which you see me doing right there. Now my hand is on the back of the knee, and I'm going to push the knee into the hand with just an easy resistance. This is not a ton of force, like 15% of your strength. You only need to maintain that resisted movement for 5 to 10 count and release it. Typically, anywhere from 3 to 4 rounds of that will help open up those muscles on the back of the hip. This also can help to release mild tension in your psoas muscle. All right. Thank you so much for joining me.